In this video, we analyze the top 5 IT companies' expenses for the last 10 years. We can easily get data from the company's profit and loss of accounts. I was collected these 5 companies' data: TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, Tech Mahindra. SAT data in this format.
Open Tableau.
Connect data with Tableau. Click on Microsoft Excel. Select File. Drag TCS and drop here. Next is important. Drag the HCL and drop right side of TCS to see different sheet connections. Select Footer. You must have at least one same field in each sheet to connect with other sheets. Select Data Source Year. Under HCL also select Year. Both the same field. Next, we drop Infosys. Drop when Union option is not available. The same connection is done with Infosys. This same process is done with Tech Mahindra as well as Wipro. We can see here year has only one row and different expenses for different company with the name was created automatically. Rename from Sheet 1 to compare depreciation and amortization expenses of the company. Select year of TCS. Depreciation and amortization expenses under each company. Click on Show Me and select horizontal bars. Click on Swap Rows and Columns. Change the view from Standard to Entire View. Rename each row name by right-clicking and select the Edit axis. Remove depreciation and amortization expenses and write company name. Change sequence of row. Now, we change bar color related to its amounts. Select each depreciation and amortization expenses under the company name and drop it to the color in each mark. Click on Mark Labels. We can see amount on each bar. For more clarity, use different palettes. Click on Color. Edit Color. Select Orange-Blue diverging from drops down. Click on the checkbox of Use Full Color Range for more clarity. Click OK. The same change in all marks. We can see the amount-based bar. Same as these. Create sheets for each expense type and analyze data. I have created all sheets. TCS compared to other peers incurred major expenses. The overall trend of TCS shows a gradual increase in expenses. However, 2019 shows a sudden spike in expenses of 26.50%.